everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Donna DeRosa, and this is another in my series on Mediterranean diet inspired small plate dishes and tapas. Today's recipe is eggplant roll-ups. They're thin slices of eggplant that are baked in the oven, and then you roll them up with a stuffing of herbed ricotta cheese. They're really fun to make, they're delicious, they look great on their own, or they also make a really interesting side dish to a larger meal. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. The first thing we're going to do is slice this eggplant lengthwise, and then we're going to paint it with olive oil and bake it in the oven. We're putting on a little salt. We're going to bake these in the oven at 385 for 20 to 30 minutes. Just check on them to make sure they're soft. While the eggplant is in the oven, we're now going to prepare the filling. I have some almonds in a coffee grinder. I'm going to grind them up and we're going to mix them into some ricotta cheese with some herbs. In this bowl I have some ricotta cheese, and I'm going to add the crushed almonds and some fresh thyme. We're going to stir that up. You can also add some thyme to your cocktail. It's coming along nicely. The eggplant is out of the oven, and I just put them on some paper towels so they can drain a little bit. You want them to cool down a little bit so you don't burn yourself when you're working with them.